This brand is made in China and is available in North America through various online retailers including their Amazon store. The Astound Series offers 4 sizes of fireplaces from 50 to 96 inches and features tinted glass which reduces reflections for better views of the fire. They are Wi-Fi enabled for control through their app or with voice commands. The Alluravision Series offers linear electric fireplaces with very small frames and they can be flush mounted or recessed into the wall. The Purview Series features linear fireplaces that have a crystal cube ember bed but no log set, while the Trivista Pictura Series features units with both a crystal ember bed and a log set as well as 3-sided views of the fire. The fireplaces include a remote control but it does not sense the room temperature to control the heat. They are relatively inexpensive but only have an average guarantee when compared to other brands. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.